Hi, friends! Welcome to your last week of school before the holiday break. I hope that you're getting excited and that you get to do some fun things over Christmas. Maybe you get to see some family or do some fun stuff. I don't know. I don't get to see my extended family this year, but I will get to see a few members of my family, so I'm excited about that. I'm also really hopeful that we'll get some snow because right now it's pretty green and brown outside my window, so fingers crossed, right? So for this week, friends, you are basically taking your Of Mice and Men final test. That's the big thing for this week. On Monday, we're going to review a little bit, and that basically means that if you show up to the Google Meet and you have any questions about the book or anything that you want to talk about, we can discuss a little bit. There's also a Schoology Kahoot available, so if you want to do a little bit of review, doing the Kahoot will really help you on the test. So I highly recommend that you do the Kahoot that's available. On Tuesday, I want you to check in at 8:26 in our Google Meet, and then I'll just kind of direct you to where the test is and get you started on that. And then you'll be able to take the Of Mice and Men final test. You do need to take it in just one day, so you can't, just start it today and then take it Wednesday. You need to take it on Tuesday. If you need anything, let me know. If you are confused about anything in the book, let me know. If there's any study guide questions that you need help with, please just ask me. The study guide is also due on Tuesday, but you can use your study guide on the test. I really recommend that you finish your study guide and then use it on the test because it will definitely help you if you've used it and you've answered the questions, especially when it comes to those vocabulary words and the character names. You don't have anything to do on Wednesday as long as you've gotten your stuff done. I wanted to give you an extra day because I know you have a lot going on in other classes too. So, main things you need to do is make sure you finish reading Of Mice and Men, finish the study guide, turn that in on Tuesday, and then take the test on Tuesday. It'd be great if you could get caught up as much as you can before the holidays. I know the end of this semester kind of seems far away right now, but it's going to come up fast after Christmas break. So I'm here. Let me know what you need. I hope you have a really, really, really nice holiday break, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.